monarchy too. Everybody questioning that now. There's been a monarchy for like hundreds of years, right? Maybe that's done. Maybe the world will flip. What's the opposite?
Opposite of what?
The monarchy.
Anarchy.
The promised land.
Exactly. When the pillars fall. Old power, late capitalism, the patriarchy, and mass surveillance.
The 4 pillars, exactly. Wait, are we gonna go to class?
What class, dude? This is class.
It won't happen.
What won't happen?
The flip. Nothing's flipping.
Why the fuck not?
Because we're all just like outlets, man.
What do you mean, outlets?
I mean like outlets for these predetermined symbols.
You mean like gender and...
I mean like everything. We're like, the society we live in traps us in a maze where everything is already decided for us. We stumble around in the maze and all we can do is consume. It's a consumption maze.
Oh, like Pac-Man? Or Miss Pac-Man?
Shut the fuck up, Toby. So wait, you're saying we don't have any freedom within capitalism?
Well, only as much as the maze allows us to have. That's why nothing's going to change. The system's already decided everything, and that's the most terrifying thing of all.
It's not a maze, man. It's a panopticon.
What's a panopticon?
What?
It's the circular prison with the tower in the middle where you feel like you're being watched?
Oh, the panopticon. I
And
know
it
what
also
panopticon-
happens
of
to
course.
be the perfect
Oh,
metaphor for a society under mass
You know what? I know what a panopticon is. I just-
It's like the opposite of a maze!
Okay, fine. So what?
Politically speaking, there is a huge danger in mixing our metaphors. Pull up your goddamn socks!
I'm not wearing any
Oh,
socks.
Stephen, time out. Damo, what's your take?
I'm thinking.
What if? What if it flips?
Yeah, exactly.
If it flips, then I guess it's open season for whoever's ready.
That's why we need a plan.
What kind of a plan?
I just bought a whole crate of Mr. Noodles.
That's not a plan, you squirrely skinny moron.
You know, the biggest problem with a revolution, just like in a story, is that the hardest part to figure out is the end.
Did you seriously just come up with that right now?
It's Alexis de Tocqueville.
Fuck's sake.
You just like that guy because he has Toke in his
Yeah,
name.
well, maybe that means something to me.
Nothing is real. That's the whole big con. They've tricked us into wanting things we can touch. Get. Touch. That's the 4 pillars making us think that way. But it doesn't have anything to do with the truth.
What truth?
That nothing is real. Late capitalism is all spectacle, simulation, data. The banks know this. The corporations know this. That's why they're gonna be fine.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
But
say.
we know it too.
We do?
Of course we do. You know none of their shit is real. We all know it. And we don't have to believe it.
Okay, so what do we do?
We have to reconfigure our shit. The world we're living in can be anything we want it to be. We don't have to live in their reality anymore. We could be living in infinite worlds if we just imagine them.
Totally.
Anybody feel like ordering a pizza?